Anyone can do video. Anyone can do video. I tell people that all the time. I have people who I meet that really want to start being into photography. They want to be a creative. I started working as a videographer without fully knowing my camera. There's still so much I don't know. And that has been a really good approach for me. It's just accepting that I'm at a certain stage. There's still a ton of things I need to learn. And I think a lot of people assume that it takes a really long time to get sort of good at something. And I think I've been doing video like professionally for 2 years. And I'm turning down clients. So like I really think that if you're a creative person and you want to get into video, put the money down, buy a camera, and just start making stuff with your friends. Like, you can do it. Scherer, and I am a videographer and photographer. This is Ozzy, and you can find me at Video by Chelsea. I had never imagined myself working as a freelancer. I didn't even think it was an option at all. I thought for sure I would be working for someone else forever. Right up until about a month before I went freelance, which is so bizarre to me. One day, someone emailed me asking if I could create a video for them, and it was someone through Laurier, and I was like blown away. I was like, someone wants to pay me to make a video for them, and that was like the moment where I realized, like, oh, people will actually pay me to do this. People think I'm good enough. What was really going on in the behind the scenes is I had started kind of doing some fun video projects with friends. During the first part of COVID, I purchased a camera, some gear. I was making like free videos for people. And in the behind the scenes, there was enough people who were saying my name in a room or to their colleagues or to their boss about a video. And it just like completely snowballed from there. I prepare all of my own storyboards. I do creative direction. I work with clients to help represent themselves. I'm constantly saving and looking at new inspo. Like, I think I always had a natural interest in this field, and I love film. I've always loved music videos, so it felt natural that I could be touching any part of that world. Okay, so in general, what I've learned is that people aren't necessarily hiring you because of your skills. They're hiring you because they like you. And I think that transfers to the way that people are buying products now and services. This is partially probably why e-commerce blew up in the last year, is because people had like their story at the forefront of why they were selling their products. And I think that's why businesses blow up on TikTok. Honestly, like, I talk about TikTok so much, but it's so true. People putting themselves forward and sharing their experience and kind of taking that like underdog approach is really relatable, and people can see themselves, because people don't want to see like just the highlight reel anymore. This is why people hate Instagram now. They want to see the process, and the process is the story. What surprised me most about going freelance is how much people are willing to trust me. I've mentioned that I run on this like blind confidence, and that really just means that I'll just figure it out. But I think showing up and showing some confidence with them, and that you're genuinely interested in a collab and care about their success, really benefited me because all of my clients who are 95% women like that emotional bond. I take a lot of inspiration from creatives in bigger cities, in the US, Canada, in Europe. I think there's a lot of really young people making good work, and I know a lot of people don't like when they get ads. I really like getting ads because I can tell if an ad is good or bad just from watching it. And usually people are now looking for good storytelling. And one thing that really kind of made it tricky when I started to go freelance is I was looking around, I'm like, I don't see any people like me in this town. A lot of the production companies do a lot of corporate work. It all looks the same, not all of it, but you know what I mean. And I find that the people who are a little bit scrappier, aren't afraid to MacGyver stuff, they're kind of on the fly. You can tell that they're doing all their own videography, or the people that really inspire me. And now finally I'm starting to see other videographers in this area that aren't just making boring video.